School of Cooking. From our stocks menu, I'm making a green gazpacho. I made a vegetable stock. I'm going to pair that with a bunch of different vegetables. I've got some onion and cucumber that I've cut up. I've salted it pretty heavily. I'll let that sit for about 20-30 minutes. That'll weep really well, then I'll rinse it. I'm going to cut up and add then some celery, some jalapenos, some cilantro, some green pepper, a little scallion, some of the ají verde, and some of the 12-year white. So once again, with our jalapeno, we can cut it in half. Use the tip of our knife to cut the seed pod out, and then take that, cut it into a very thin julienne, and then a julienne to a very fine brunoise. Our garlic, take the end off, give it a small smash, allows us to take the paper off. Once we get that paper off, we're going to tap into the stickiness of that garlic. I'm going to get it near the edge of my board. I'm going to put my knife on it, and I'm going to flatten it and smash it. And then mince it. You have nicely minced garlic. For celery, cut it in half, cut each half in half, cut each of those in half, and dice it. And of course you've seen me cut the cilantro and the pepper up too. So after our onions and cucumbers salt and soak, and we rinse them really well, we add all the rest of the ingredients. We blend about a third of it. We put it all back together, and we garnish it with a little bit of lime and a little cilantro. Our green gazpacho. What a great fresh soup.